Hello, my name is Hélène, and today I'm going to show you how to make some marble paper. So what you will need is some newspaper to cover your table, so you can put it on the side, and you will need sort of a container. So I'm using right now a pan. You will need some shaving cream. You will need some acrylic paint, and I have an assortment of colors over here. I'm going to use probably about 5 colors. I have yellow, green, red, blue, and I like to use a bit of black. You will need a scraper, and you will need a stick, sort of a stick or chopstick. And you will need some paper towel. This activity can be a little bit messy. And some paper. And so we are going to start the process of making marble paper with shaving cream. So you get your shaving cream ready, and you're going to fill about, I would say, a third of the dish with the cream. So I recommend that you use some unscented cream. It's always better, especially if you're going to do this activity with children. It's better for people that are sensitive to smell or allergies, have allergies. So you're going to, fill a third of your bucket, of your pan. There we go. That should be good. And what you want to do after that, so I usually have a plate beside me so I can put all my wet instruments. So you take a scraper and you want to even the shaving cream. You want a nice smooth surface. So you even it out. Go. So I have a smooth surface now, and the next step would be to pick some paint, some colors. So I'm using this acrylic paint. That is also safe if you're going to use that with children. And what you want to do is just spray a little bit of paint everywhere. I like to put, some people usually use 2 or 3 drops. I like to put a little bit more. I like a good effect with the paint, and you can choose the colors you like. So you just spray it a little bit everywhere. I'm gonna make sure that you can see, and I'm gonna use some green now. And some blue. And a little bit of black. I like to have a sharper contrast. There we go. Then what you want to do is take the chopstick that I have put somewhere. There it is. And what you want to do, you want to sort of spray a little bit the paint. You can go this way, you can go the other way, and you can see it's starting to make a little bit of designs already on the shaving cream. There we go. All right. Then you take your paper, and what you're going to do, you're going to very gently put your paper on top of the shaving cream, and really, really gently just push it so the cream is going to be sticking to your paper. Very gently. Make sure that it goes everywhere, so you want to use your hand that way. There we go. There you go. And you're going to lift up the paper so you can see. I missed a little bit of a spot, so I'm going to just put it again, very gently. There we go. There we go, so that's what you're getting. And what you're going to do, you are going to take your scraper and remove the excess of shaving cream. You're going to scrape it all away. So you can use your paper because sometimes you have a little bit of leftover. There we go. And this is what you're going to get. So my paper is a bit wet, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to use a hair dryer and I'm going to dry it a little bit. Go, it takes a few seconds. Now it is dry. So what may happen is that your paper may curl a little bit, so when it's dry you may want to put a book or something heavy on top. So another thing you can do, you can still reuse the amount of shaving cream that is left in your container. So I have cut a shape of a heart, and you can maybe use it to do an activity, maybe, you know, for Valentine's or to make a card. So again, same process. Here we go. You use your scraper. It's very fun, it's really easy. It really is a great activity for any kind of age, and the result is always beautiful. Dry it. There we go, and it's pretty easy to clean. You just fold your paper. There we go. So you can see the result now. So usually I use this as a background, and I can do a collage. I can cut some black paper and add some beautiful shapes, and it looks really beautiful. Or you can just use this paper for anything you want, and that can be used as a card. You know, you can fold it, and here we go. Thank you. I hope you enjoyed my class.